Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today, let me show you a yummy dessert where it can be prepared within minutes and where we are not going to use any sugar. Here we are going to use only jaggery, that is organic jaggery powder. If you wish, you can even add normal jaggery also. So without wasting much time, let us start the recipe. See, here I have taken almost 2 cups of jaggery powder here. This is homemade jaggery powder, organic jaggery powder. Here I am going to add little bit of water until this jaggery powder is totally filled. So then keep this on stove and make sure that stove is on medium flame. So then I'll be adding some 4 to 5 crushed ilachi just to add flavor. Then keep it on medium flame and let it cook for almost some 30 to 35 minutes to become jaggery syrup. By the time, let us mix this gulab jamun powder. So here I have taken a gulab jamun powder into this mixing bowl. Then I'll be adding some water into this. You see the consistency. It should not be too watery or too hard. This batter should be almost like a chapati batter itself. So then just keep on mixing it and just make a thick dough. Keep on mixing, then just keep on mixing this dough so that it becomes more soft if you keep on kneading the dough. Then once it is ready, just grease it with a spoon or half spoon of ghee here. You see our jaggery syrup is almost ready. Let us see the consistency. See, this consistency is more than enough. If you want, you can even switch off the flame within 10 to 15 minutes also, but I just wanted it to become bit more thicker syrup. So once it is ready, just switch off the flame and keep it aside. Make sure that you are not going to close the lid and let it cool for some time. So by the time, let us knead the dough once again, this one, and then take little, just a small ball size portion and make it a small round. See that no cracks are formed into this. If you want, you can even grease your hands with a drop of ghee. See, I have prepared all these balls here. So to deep fry this, we'll add some groundnut oil to this kadai. Once you add oil to this, let the oil get heated and drop one by one balls into this kadai or oil, and then just keep on rotating this or keep on stirring this until it is cooked evenly. Make sure that the flame is on medium or low. Then once it is golden color, then you can take it out and keep it aside. Make sure that you are doing the same procedure for all the gulab jamuns here. So once the gulab jamuns are ready, I am going to filter this jaggery syrup here to take out to make sure that no dust or no mud or stone anything is there. Then drop all these gulab jamuns into this syrup and let it soak for almost some 4 to 5 hours so that syrup will get into this balls and it becomes sweet. So after 4 to 5 hours, you see here it is almost like this. Then to prepare dry jamuns, I am going to just roll it in this dry coconut powder. Then our dry jamuns are also ready. You see, jamun and dry jamun both are ready within minutes. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.